Welcome to Network Theory lecture series. I, Professor Hitesh Dholakia, is going to explain you one very interesting example based on superposition theorem. And I'll explain you the basic rules along with the example so it will get more clear. Now if you observe here, we have been given with one electrical network and question is to find VA voltage which is happening across 1 kilo ohm resistor as per polarity plus minus, and we will solve it by using superposition theorem. So when you want to solve example for any electrical network using superposition theorem, you will have to find this voltage VA due to this current source and this voltage VA due to this voltage source, and then we will do algebraic sum of voltage due to both of this source, right? And when you do this process, at that time you'll have to remember one thing. See, when you consider this current source, at that time you should remove this voltage source, and when you consider this voltage source, at that time you should remove this current source. But how to remove that? To remove that, you will have to short circuit voltage source and you will have to open circuit current source. This is what the basic process that you will have to follow, right? So first what I'll do is I'll be solving this value of VA due to this current source. So let me show you how to do this. Now you see, when you want to solve this VA voltage due to current source, at that time you will have to do short circuit of this voltage source. So let me do short circuit of this voltage source. So I am just doing short circuit of this voltage source, and I need to say this voltage is, let us say, VA dash, right? Now I just need to identify what is the value of VA dash. Now see, for this circuit, if you observe, this resistance is there along with short circuit, right? So as this resistance is short circuit, you don't need to connect this resistor. So let me remove this resistor as it is there across short circuit. So now your network is reduced to this. Now if you observe here, this current 10 milliampere, so that is getting bisected into this and this resistor, right? Now if I say across this resistor, let us say current is IA dash, then what is the value of IA dash? So that will be as per current dividing rule. So IA dash, that is total current into another resistor, right? So and when you want to find current through IA dash, then another resistance that you will have to have in numerator. So 3 kilo ohm divided by total resistance, so that is 3 plus 1, right? And I is how much? 10 milliampere into 3 by 4. So I can say IA dash, that is 10 into 3 by 4 means 7.5 milliampere. Now we got the value of IA dash. So if current is entering from here, this voltage VA dash, that will be positive, and the value VA dash, that will be IA dash into resistance, and IA dash is 7.5 milliampere into 1 kilo ohm, so that will be 7.5 voltage, and that will be positive over here, right? So we got the value of VA dash due to current source of 10 milliampere. Now you see, I have considered this current source. Now I need to find value of VA due to this voltage source. Let me explain you how to do that. Now when you consider this 15 voltage battery, at that time you should not consider this current source, and current source should be open circuited. So let me have open circuited current source here. So I am just considering open circuited current source, means I am just removing this, and now I will be calculating voltage due to this battery over here, and let us say that is VA double dash. Now here if you observe, this voltage source, that is having connection of this 3k ohm resistor in parallel with this voltage source, right? And you see, whenever you want to have simplification of network, then any resistor connected in parallel with that battery may not be considered. Why? The reason is it will not affect entire other network. So you see, this 3 kilo ohm resistor that you can neglect here, as it will not affect this side of circuit. So what I'll be doing is I'll be neglecting this, as it is there in parallel with voltage source, right? Now due to this 15 voltage, if you observe the polarity, then here there is plus and here there is minus, right? And we want to calculate VA double dash with plus minus polarity like this. So when you want to calculate this VA double dash, at that time its value will be negative, as it is happening as per this polarity. Now what is the value? So that will be as per voltage divider biasing. So total voltage 15 into that resistance, so that is 1 kilo ohm, divided by total resistance, so 1 plus 3. So I can have this value 15 by 4, so that is minus 3.75 voltage. So now we got the value of VA dash 7.5 voltage and VA double dash minus 3.75 voltage, right? So total VA, that will be algebraic sum, and I can say resultant VA, that is VA dash plus VA double dash, and that will be 7.5 minus 3.75, and that will make it to 3.75 voltage. So this is how simply we can solve question based on superposition theorem. I'll solve one more interesting question based on superposition theorem, so that will resolve your understanding furthermore. And if you have any further queries, you just let me know by writing into the comment box, so that I can resolve those queries by making many more new videos which will be helpful to my dear students.